Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up my second Trendsend box. The last one I got was pretty fun, so I decided to do it again. So here goes nothing. Attitude, gratitude. Okay, I don't want to read this yet because I'd like to see what's in there and then I will read it. I did ask for a coat. I don't know if you guys saw my last Stitch Fix unboxing, but I asked for a coat and they didn't send me one. They sent me one, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So hopefully it'll be in here because I did ask them for one. Don't you just love this heart? It's so cute. All right, this is the first bundle and simple tank. So it's an outfit, right? So they send you whole outfits. So this is part one of the outfit. And this is a skirt. Huh. You know, I have to try it on. It looks a little plain. Oh. Jean jacket. If there's one thing I do not need is another jean jacket. Especially one that I just saw the price for $150 for. That's a little crazy for a jean jacket. For a woman of my stature. Now, some people can afford that, but not I. All right, the second bundle. This looks fluffy. All right, this is a hoodie. I am not sure about this. It doesn't feel soft like I would expect it to. And I'm not sure about the cut. It's kind of square looking, but we shall see when I try it on. And then this is a scarf. So I guess this, oh no, what is this? Oh, it's a sweater. So, you know, a lot of times people wear sweaters with sweaters. I don't know how people do that. It just seems like you're gonna be way too hot, at least where I live. I'm sure if you lived in Canada or upstate New York, you'd need two sweaters at once. I think I'll try it on with the skirt because it seems like there's no other piece to this. I still didn't get a jacket, a fall coat. I might as well just go online and try to find one and buy one. But I always like to give these companies a shot because they have pretty cool stuff. All right, what do we have here? I'm not sure about this this box here. I mean, this is kind of like loungy and sporty, which is fine. The color is kind of like a purplish brown, if you will. See that? I don't know if you can see the color, but. And I actually already have a pair just like these with the pockets. I mean, I'll try them on, but I'm not sure if I need these. All right, so I'm gonna try everything on. See you in a few. All right, so this is outfit number one, and I look like a linebacker. I don't know if this jacket's too big for me or if it's made this way, but at least it has inside pockets. But I feel like it's too big. Like my arms are over here and there's just so much extra fat. It's like something from the 80s. Anyway, this is the top. And I just don't, I don't know. I mean, it's boring. You know, I'm looking for stuff that's more exciting. And then the skirt is okay. It's not bad. It's a maxi skirt. It goes all the way to the floor. I don't think the skirt is bad. It's just, I feel like it lacks detail. If there were more tiers that came up, maybe I would consider it. But because it's just straight down and it just has two tiers on the bottom, it's all right. I'm not loving this outfit. So I'll see you with outfit number two. Welcome. I look like a nun on her day off. No offense to nuns, but this just seems really just kind of It came with the sweater, the gray sweater, and I tried to put it on, but I couldn't put the sweater over this sweater, so I decided just to show this on its own and then I'll wear the sweater with something else. But I mean, it's a hoodie, but you know, honestly, like, it's itching me, so it might have some wool in it. Yeah, none on her day off. So this is outfit number 3. These are the leggings, and they fit very nice. They have pockets, but I have so many black leggings, and how many black leggings does somebody need to own, especially when they're not really going anywhere? I mean, if I was like, you know, I don't know, traveling a lot for work or working out all the time outdoors, like outside of the house, then maybe I would need an extra pair, but I don't see the need for another pair of leggings at this point, at least not in black. If they were gray or like a different color, I would have probably considered it. This actually is kind of cute. It's got like a little bit of a turtleneck. It's soft, it has pockets. And I mean, it looks kind of cute. I think this is something fun to wear if you're like going, you know, well, if you're cold, first of all, sitting by a fireplace, or if you're go for a walk in the woods. I think that's something nice, and you know, just it's very comfortable. We'll have to see how much it costs. I'll be back. So this is the sweater, the cardigan that was with that hoodie that I guess we were supposed to wear together. I mean, it's got like this cute little fringe here, but that's about it. I think that the shape is just kind of blah. I feel like this is something you wear if you're trying to, like, I don't know, be boring. It's boring. It's trying, but it's boring. So and it's itching me. I think it might be wool too. Ugh. Okay. Now that we're done with all that trying on, which was really not exciting, I'm gonna read you the little note they gave me. Hello and happy Trendsend Day. I had fun styling your box and finding you great pieces to fit your boho style. Okay, as well as your budget. These are all items you can mix and match with each other as well as with other things in your closet. Try everything on, and if you need different sizes, please choose the exchange option when checking out. And leave us lots of feedback so we can style you better with each box. Take care and enjoy. Styled for you by Kay. And she puts a little heart next to it to make me feel bad that I'm not loving everything. So, we're gonna go through the prices. So from outfit number 1, the denim jacket, well, no wonder it was large. It was a size medium, was a 7 for all mankind. And that one is $119.99. Yeah, I mean, I have 3 jean jackets and I don't need another one, and it wasn't flattering on me. It did not spark joy. Okay, the next thing is the boatnet tank from Michael Stars, and the tank is $54.40. Yeah, no, not feeling it. It just wasn't flattering either, and honestly, like, I have so many of these. Well, not particularly this one, but I have enough tanks to wear under my clothes right now for the winter. Fall, winter. All right, this is the skirt. It's the tiered maxi skirt, and it's $63.66. It's an okay price for a skirt like this, but like I said, if it wasn't as exciting, I mean, the bottom part's tiered, but then, you know, the top part is just flat. It's like 2 different skirts. If it was more tiered, I think I would have bought it, but you know, nah. Not my thing. All right, the next thing from outfit number 2, okay, is the Juno tunic sweatshirt in raisin. Okay, so the sweatshirt was part of outfit number 2, and that was $62.40. So I think it was on sale. Yeah, because the original price is $78. I liked it. I think it's really nice. I don't have anything like this in my closet. When I first opened this up, I thought to myself, but I put it on and it was very nice, and I think I'm gonna get it. I also get $20 off because of the styling fee. So it will end up being $42.40. I guess this was outfit number 3, not 2, sorry. And then the Free People Keep It Up legging. And this is for $79.99. I love Free People, and they have really nice stuff. If this was a different color, I would have gotten it, but I have 3 pairs of black leggings that are like this. And then I have 1 pair that already has pockets in them. I think it's great. It's a good price. It's good quality. It feels nice, but I just have too many of these. So I'm gonna have to forego it. If it was in gray or some other color, I would have gotten them. All right, so for the sweater outfit, you know, the 2 sweaters, the Gemma hoodie pullover in white, that was also a size medium. Why are they giving me size mediums? I don't wear size medium in shirts. Did I put in medium? No, I didn't. I don't think I did. I'm gonna have to double check. $70.40. This is not worth $70.40. This looks like something, I'm sorry if, you know, you liked it, or if, you know, whoever styled me. I mean, this is just a very square looking shirt. It's like something you could find at like Target for like 32 bucks. And it was itching me. I wonder if it's got wool in it. No, acrylic nylon spandex. It's not wool. It was not sparking joy at all. And it's a medium. It's just way too big for me. That just didn't fit right. Last but not least is the Cali Fringe cardigan. This one is $78.40. Again, it just didn't flatter me. Is this wool too? I mean, not that the other one was wool, but it did itch. Yes. No wonder, 6% wool. That's why I started like itching. Well, I wouldn't have been able to get it even if I loved it, because wool just is not a good thing for me. But it does have this fringe, I don't know. I mean, it was just very square. You saw how it looked on me. Yeah, it didn't really do me any justice, that's for sure. So yeah, that's about it. Altogether, I am only spending $42.40, which I think is a good deal for that nice sweatshirt. Like I said, it's very soft, it feels nice, it looks nice, it's flattering, it has pockets. I'm gonna let them know what and why things didn't work out. Yeah, you know, I wish I could share what I already have in my closet so they don't send me stuff that I don't need. And that way they can maybe find stuff that is missing. But yeah, jean jackets, I've got plenty of those. Black leggings, I've got plenty of those. So anyway, tell me what you thought of my box. Did you all like any of the items that I tried on? Did you agree that they didn't look good on me? I truly felt like a linebacker in that first jacket. I think if that jacket was a size small, it may have looked a little bit better, but like I said, I have enough jean jackets. I don't need any more. If you would like to know details on how to get your own Trendsend box, I will put a link down below, and also a link to my video, my last Trendsend video that explains the whole process. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye! I'm like an old lady here. Hold on.